Welcome! Snapchat is a popular social media platform that allows users to communicate through photos and short videos. However, sometimes we may block a user, which means that we cannot see their messages or content. In this clip, we will learn how to find the blocked list on Snapchat and how to manage blocked users. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to open your Snapchat application on your phone. After that, click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. When you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see the Privacy Controls section. Under that section, you'll find an option called Block Users. Click on that option. Now you will be able to see a list of all the people that you have blocked on Snapchat. If you want to unblock any of these people in your blocked list, simply tap on the X next to their name. Then, to confirm, click on Yes. And that will unblock and remove them from your blocked list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching.